So if you don't see 2 videos that month and it's creeping up on the 31st, y'all let me know. Just
be like, hey girl, where your videos?
Hey y'all, welcome back to my channel. It's your girl Akia Tiani. Today I'll be doing some stacked jeans with an exposed zipper in the back for a client. So I figured why not just take you guys along and do a little chit chat. So before we get started, if you haven't already, be sure to hit the subscribe button. Also like, comment, and share it with your friends. Okay, so you're going to need 2 pairs of jeans. And if you're gonna do the exposed zipper part, you also need a zipper. This is a 9-inch jean zipper, but you can just measure it to see how long you want to come down in the back for the length of your zipper. So these stacked jeans are extremely simple to do. So like I said, we're just gonna kind of chit chat. I'll walk you through it and I'll talk a little bit about 2021. So what you're first gonna do is put 1 pair of jeans to the side and you're gonna cut off the legs on 1 pair of your jeans, and this is going to be the part that creates the stack. Okay, so I have 1 leg laid out and I'm really just going to cut it. I'm just going to cut the leg off under the crotch. Really, you can eye this and just cut it off. So I'm just going to cut it off. And then we're going to do the same thing to the other leg. So y'all, it is 2021. Like, 2020 is over. I'm so excited. 2020 was really a whirlwind, I think, for everybody. But, you know, I actually started my YouTube channel in 2020. And I started it because we were all in the house. I mean, I already was in the house because I worked from home anyways. But we were all in the house. And I just realized that I was not tapping into my passions anymore. I started sewing. I got my sewing machine for Christmas 2015. So I've been sewing for a little over 5 years now. Just barely over 5 years now. And I realized that I hadn't sewn in like 2 years, honestly. Like, the last time I had really sewn was 2017. That was crazy to me. So I told myself in 2020, really before the pandemic, I was going to start back sewing. And then the pandemic hit. We were in the house. So I'm like, okay, I'm going to start this YouTube channel to really just hold myself accountable with sewing. So I did. So here we are. And it's really crazy because I look back on some of the things that I made and I'm just like, if I would have kept it up, like if I would have kept sewing, like y'all, I had a fashion line. I had a whole clothing line. I had a whole photo shoot. I'll insert some pictures here. And I really had so much spark. And then I just kind of let it go. I just let life, you know, life happen. But you can't just let life happen. Life is always going to happen. You always have to feed your,
what's that saying? What's that saying? It's something about, like, you have to water the grass.
The grass is only green where you water it. That's it. That's what I wanted to say. So you have to water your passions, like tend to what you like to do. Life is always going to happen, you know, God willing. So, yeah, you just got to keep going. So, okay, next part on our pants. We're going to slide the part that we just cut. We're going to turn it inside out and we're going to slide it onto the pant because what we're going to end up doing is sewing the end to the end. So I'll show you what that means or what that looks like. So you turn it inside out and then slide it onto one of the pant legs. So since we are at the top of the year, you know, I was just thinking about like, what are my goals for YouTube and just my passion, which is sewing and creating. More so than just sewing, I really am passionate about creating. Like, I learned that I like to build things. I also like to do parties and decorations. So I just really like to create. And when I think about 2021 and kind of just the year that we just had, I think about really just, you know, doing what I like to do and just setting goals for that. So one of my goals, which you guys have to hold me accountable, one of my goals is to post consistently on YouTube. And consistently for me means at least 2 videos a month. So if you don't see 2 videos that month and it's creeping up on the 31st, y'all let me know. Just
Be like, hey girl, where your videos?
I really want to be consistent with YouTube. I also have a goal to reach 1,000 subscribers by the end of the year. So again, I need your help. I'm so grateful. I think I have 51 subscribers at the time of this video, and I'm grateful for each and every single one of you. But I would really love to see that count continue to grow. So those are my goals for my YouTube channel. I also just want to create more content in general. I suck at taking Instagram pictures. Like, I will take a bunch of pictures and I won't post them at all. So I want to do better at that. And then I also want to start with TikTok, and because I've seen so many really like cool sewing TikToks. So all of these kind of play into that road to 1,000 subscribers by the end of the year, just like increasing my presence on social media, showing what I do. Like, I'll make a bunch of things. Like, I've made so many things that no one has seen, or like Instagram hasn't seen before. So that's another goal of mine, just to create a little bit more content. All right, so the pant leg is pinned. Before I sew it, I'm gonna end up cutting off the hem of both pairs because it's just a little bit bulky. But you can see that when you fold it down, this is what creates the stack. Once it rests over your jeans or your shoes, this piece right here is gonna bunch up and create the stack, okay? So we'll go ahead and take that piece to the machine. Okay, so like I said, the stack pants are super simple, so that's all for the leg part. But this client also wanted an exposed zipper in the back. So here I'm putting in the exposed zipper. If you want to see exactly how I did this, stay tuned to my channel for an in-depth tutorial. I hope you enjoyed this video. As always, let me know what you'd like to see from me in the future. If you haven't already, make sure you hit that subscribe button. Be sure to like, comment, and share with your friends. And as always, I thank you for watching, and I'll see you next time.